This is the Big Brother Nigeria Review Show.
So Yaris, how you doing now? What's going
I'm great.
Big Brother Nigeria, Yaris. How does it feel? How do you feel? How do you feel right now?
No, I feel grateful. I feel happy. I'm really grateful for everyone, the support, the love, and all that. So just happy and grateful.
The first housemate to be evicted from the Big Brother Niger Shine Your Eye house is Jerins.
Jesus. This is enough. Kai.
How would you describe your time in the house?
Amazing, one in a lifetime experience. Just, amazing people, amazing settings, amazing platform, and all that. So great. Yeah.
And then how has it changed your life? Like since you've been out of the house, let's just be days and all that.
It's crazy how big this platform is, where people just come in and have like overnight success, no matter the amount of time you spend in the house. It's just amazing, like everything in there is amazing. The people, the house, the style, the colors, the arrangements, everything amazing. Yeah.
And what do you miss the most about being in the house?
The people, and Big Brother. Just there is this feeling. You wake up every morning and you're like, okay, so there are cameras everywhere, and your life is, people are seeing it, and people get to see you for who you truly are. There is that feeling. No matter how you were thinking about other things, you always try to remind yourself about that, and that's just another amazing thing.
And then which housemate had the biggest impact on you? Or biggest effect?
The housemate that had the biggest effect on me was Angel, because of her story. I actually had a very good conversation with her, and then she talked to me through her whole life story and all. And for a human being to have to go through this and be in the Big Brother house and be loved is amazing. And also being very, very matured. She's 21, and for someone that age to have such maturity is just amazing. So yeah.
And we hear that you think White Money might be getting the money.
Yes. I am rooting for White Money. He has everything it takes. He's an amazing person. He's jovial. He thinks well. He's playing the game well. So why not? He's good.
When you guys were just the night you guys got into the house, and you were telling your story, he gave some funny remarks. Did you get to see any videos of those? Have you seen those videos?
I don't know exactly what do you...
It's when you kept on going on about how you had been in Paris and here.
Oh yeah, yeah. I was just, everybody came and they were just telling their story, and I'm looking like these guys. They don't know mine. Once I tell them mine, they're just gonna be. So it was just something interesting. I just put out there. Yeah.
Okay, and finally, what's next for Yaris now?
Amazing things, great plans and all. I always keep saying I'm going to take a week, to plan my life, to plan everything. And once I come out, I think it will be great. And I can't wait for you guys to see.
All right, thanks a lot, Yaris.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.